Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another new makeup release Friday. If you guys do not know what this is, it's where we sit back, relax, and talk about all the new makeup products and if we actually think they're worth it. So you guys want to see what they are, well then definitely keep watching. Alrighty guys, so you guys are probably seeing me in the exact same outfit and makeup as yesterday's video. I am filming this video back to back. I realized I probably did not link my makeup I realized I probably didn't link what I was wearing on my face down below in yesterday's video, so I'll have it linked down to below today for today's video. I will say I have not done a matte lip in a hot minute, but I am wearing the Kaya Liquid Lip. This is my collab with Ofra, and I really am enjoying the matte lip. I really am enjoying the matte lip. So with that said, welcome back to another episode of Vlogoween. I also realized I forgot to say that in yesterday's videos too. I am so sorry. But we are going to go ahead and dive straight on in. As always, I do get all my information from Trend Mood, Point Click Vibes, and like Makeup Radar. And I just love talking about new makeup. So we're going to go ahead and dive right on in. All right, guys. So starting off, we have the brand new Glamlite collaboration with Friday the 13th. This collection goes live today. You guys can actually buy the entire collection for $140. That's going to include the Camp Crystal Lake palette, the Lentacular Motion bag, the mirror, the Jason Lives Matter highlighter, the No Place to Hide lip kit, the Camp Blood candle, the Camp Counter lashes, and the Jason brush set for the retail total of $140. You guys can use code AllieD, which will save you guys 15% off. I am so freaking excited for this collection. You guys have no idea. Now, I will say I am a little bummed out. I do feel like Glamlite missed the mark with doing a Friday the 13th versus Nightmare on Elm Street. They did tease last week on their stories. They asked everybody, do you want us to release both collections together? And so many people, including myself, said yes, release both collections together, because at the end of the day, let's be realistic here, shipping is freaking expensive. Shipping is expensive, especially for my friends who are international. I can only imagine how much it costs internationally for you guys to purchase Glamlite. So it would have made it so much more sense to release both collections together so that it could have been one shipping price. But unfortunately, it looks like they are not doing that. But I feel like they also missed the mark because it could have been like a really cool, like, Freddy versus Jason moment. Both collections obviously could have done very well. They could have had their own moment, but that would have been so cool to see which is the ultimate horror movie. Is it Jason? Is it Freddy? Who would win this battle of collections of Freddy versus Jason? It could have been a really cool marketing tactic, a really cool advertisement to duke the two collections out. Like I said, both would have sold. Glamlite would have made tremendous money from both, honestly, but it would have just been really cool to see because so many fans have been like, oh, I want Jason to win. So many fans have been like, I want Freddy to win. So many fans were like, I want both to win and buy both collections. Me. So it's just been really cool to see them do a battle like that. But unfortunately, they ended up not doing that. I'm sure it has to do with like stock coming in and license agreements and all that type of stuff. So I get why they didn't end up doing it. But it just would have been so cool if they did. And they did have a massive Halloween party. I was invited to the party and I was being taken care of and being brought out there by Glamlite. But unfortunately, we did have to cancel because Alyssa's kids ended up having emergency, and I'm so glad we did because now her kids are actually pretty sick and she's staying home right now taking care of them. And I know that we would have gone, she would have felt absolutely horrible about it. Plus LA is so expensive, like Ubers and foods and everything, so it just kind of worked out that we didn't go. I was very sad about it. I was very bummed about it, but I do believe that family does come first, and I know that there's gonna be more opportunities out there. But I'm so beyond grateful to the team at Glamlite and Giselle for being so kind and understanding and for trying to be as accommodating as possible. And it's why I love this brand among so many other reasons, but they truly are amazing. So this collection is going to be available as of today, if not now by the time you guys are watching this. Make sure you guys go check it out, and then I believe stay tuned for next week because I think that's when they're gonna be announcing the Nightmare on Elm Street collection, which I am so looking forward to. Next, it looks like Kim Kardashian is releasing some new skincare products by Skin. So they're releasing a resurfacing mask. It's developed with cutting-edge biotechnology, rinse-off exfoliating mask, a jelly-like pumpkin enzyme with an AHA mask that gently exfoliates and resurfaces the skin texture to reveal a smoother, brighter skin texture. Retails for $65, and they're also releasing a treatment brush that's $30 to go with it. I'm gonna pass. I never really was a big fan of the Kim Kardashian beauty line, like KKW. And I heard amazing things about Skin, like Skims. I want to try Skims itself, like the products. I feel like they're going to suck everything in and just make it so nice and pretty. Like I've heard amazing things about it, but I've not tried anything from the skincare brand. Maybe at some point I will, but today won't be that day. Up next, it looks like Milani is releasing some lip oil. So they're releasing the Fruit Fetish Lip Oil by Milani. It's our new must-have stamp of approval. This is a juicy, non-sticky tinted lip oil for instant hydration and shine, custom blended with fruit extract and vitamin E to nourish. Now available in new 4 fall shades. Yeah, I think this has been around for a while, but I think they just added 4 shades. I could try that. I mean, I might try that. If I see it in person, I think something I definitely would pick up for like trying out new makeup and stuff. But I'm not going to go run and get it. But if I see it, I'll pick it up. Up next, it looks like we have some more holiday releases. So we do have a new Tom Ford glow highlighter that is $90. The fuck? My gosh. And then we have an eyeshadow quad that's also at $90. Then we do have the new Fenty Skin. This is the Butter Drop Refill Warm Cinnamon Shimmering Whipped Body Oil Body Cream, 46. God, that's a long name. These brands come up with long names for this shit. And then Lawless is also releasing a jumbo size Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. And then it looks like LYS Beauty is releasing a higher standard mini deluxe cream blush trio for $20. So this is super cool. I really do like the Forget the Filler gloss from Lawless. It's a really fantastic product. Maybe something I could definitely check out. Everything else I'm just kind of have no interest in, but if you guys like that, it's available. Up next, it looks like over in Asia, Maybelline is releasing the Color Rivals. So these are eyeshadow duos. They're matte and shimmer. There's 3 shades, and there is no price point. It just is a rival between the two. Maybe they're kind of like competing against each other, but I feel like they're also complementing each other well. I mean, they do have like green and orange together, gold and purple together, just a nice like neutral together. That looks kind of fun. Okay, so up next, it looks like a new fragrance. This is called Toy 2 Pearl by Moschino. It is going to be this really pretty perfume. I have never tried anything from this brand. I have no idea what the perfume smells like. It says that it has a sorbet, oregano, and lemon as the top notes. Then it has sand, freesia, and jasmine as the middle notes. And then the base notes are cypress, vetiver, and musk. I don't know if I like that. It sounds like it's going to smell a little spicy. So that's a pass for me. Okay, up next, I actually just did a video on this. If you guys want to go watch it, it's going to be available as of now. But I did a video yesterday doing the Sephora Savings VIP event. So this savings does start on October 27th through November 6th. I gave a whole list of recommendations, and I also gave my wish list. And I do now have more information about this if you guys want to go check it out. I love the Sephora Saving event. I think it's so much fun. I do it every single year, and I definitely think you guys should check out the video because it was fun to film. But next, the first time I saw this, I thought this was a Marc Jacob campaign because the way the layout is, but it's actually not. So House Laboratories just announced their holiday 2023 collection. So it's going to include an eye library talc-free eyeshadow palette for $49. It's going to have 3 lip oils as well, and it's also going to have some lip products. It's also going to have some lip oils and some lip products. And I will say the colors are very boring to me. I am not a fan of the colors. I think anything that Lady Gaga has ever come out with, like eyeshadow wise, I find it to be very disappointing. I just think the color scheme is just a little boring and bland for Lady Gaga. And I feel this is the same exact way looking at these 2 palettes right here. But I can't talk on the quality. I'm sure the quality might be really nice. The lip oils look really nice. I heard amazing things about like the highlighters about this brand, the blushes about this brand. So I heard great things about this brand. I just haven't really tried it too much beside one blush, but I will say this is an easy pass for me. But if you something that you're interested in, you should check it out. Okay, so up next, I am kind of laughing at myself because I kind of want this collection, and it's kind of funny that I want this collection because I've talked a lot of shit about this particular brand. But Makeup Revolution is doing their holiday 2023 Let It Glow collection. This is the festive Allura collection and includes an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter, a lip swirl, a body and glow product, and a chromatic liner. And it's gonna be available on the 22nd at Target. And I will say this is really pretty. Like, this is a really pretty collection. I think it's perfect for the holiday season. I think it definitely does scream holiday to me. And I just feel like this is something I would definitely be really intrigued in. I don't know why. I don't know why. I actually might pick this up because it looks so pretty. And I'm just like, why do I want this? Because I don't like the brand, but I kind of want it. Okay, so up next, it looks like Spectrum Cosmetics. They're releasing stuff so fast, but they're doing a collaboration with Disney's Nightmare Before Christmas. So it's going to be a 10-piece brush set, a 4-piece brush set, a Jack makeup bag, a nightshade brush cleaning soap, a sponge, and a puff trio. And you guys can buy the entire thing for $170. I'm going to pass on this. It looks really cool, but this is just something that I am just not really that interested in. I really do like the Nightmare Before Christmas movies, but I'm not like a big die-hard fan where I have to have everything from them, but it is really cute, and I really do like the fact that Spectrum Cosmetics consistently does Disney collaborations, because I do love Disney, and I just love the little partnership that they share. So if you are a big fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, this could be the collection for you to get. Up next, it looks like we have some new body and hair fragrance mist. So the brand called Fleur, I think I'm saying it right, is releasing their 3 new scents. They have Mango Mood, Vanilla Skin, and Amber Haze. And if you guys do want to pick it up, I think it is available actually at Sephora. I have never heard of this brand before. I'd have to go smell these in person. So I'm very particular about my scents and whether or not I like them. So I want to check them out, but it'd be like in person for sure. Okay, so up next, and everybody is so excited about this next product, myself included, but e.l.f. is releasing a brand new lip oil. So this is the Glow Reviver. This is a nourishing tinted lip oil with a high shine finish. It's an ultra glossy tinted lip oil that nourishes, hydrates, enhances your lips' natural color for a non-sticky, plush, oversized cushion applicator that hugs the lips and has a fresh minty scent. There's going to be 7 shades. It does retail for $8, and it's going to be available as of today. Well, yeah, it's available as of today. Like, I'm filming this on the 12th, but it's available as of today. And I'm pretty sure this is going to sell out. So many people have been dying to get their hands on this. I really do love e.l.f. products. There's not really one product from e.l.f. that I haven't loved. And it just looks really, really beautiful. Lip tints right now and lip oils are all the rage. People are going crazy for them. And e.l.f. is bringing it. And I'm sure it's going to be an amazing quality. So if you want to check it out, go check it out now before they do tend to sell out. Or they're going to come to stores later on. Up next, I honestly forget that this brand exists. The only time I remember this brand exists is if I get it like in a BoxyCharm or Ipsy, or if I get it in like TJ Maxx. But Laura Geller just did a collaboration with Wheel of Fortune. So this is going to include a prize-winning eyeshadow palette for $45, the Face the Wheel brush for $49, the longwear eyeliner $22, the modern classic cream lipstick for $21, and a sparkling skin perfecting primer for $36. I'm gonna pass. It doesn't really look that pretty to me. It's kind of a cool concept, but it's also kind of boring. Not gonna lie. It's kind of boring. It's not really exciting. So we're just gonna let this pass. Up next, it looks like Dominique Cosmetics is releasing a new product. This is the Pillow Soft Hydrating Lip and Cheek Stain. So this is a long-lasting flush of color that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, infused with avocado oil to nourish the skin, and formulated with hyaluronic acid to leave the skin feeling softer, smoother, and more hydrated than ever. There's going to be 3 shades. It's going to be available as of today, and you guys can use code Allie, save you guys 10% off. I would probably never use this as like an actual like cheek product. I'd only really use it on my lips. There's so many brands out there that just do like the cheek and lip products. I've never been a fan of the combination. I've been very vocal about that, so I wouldn't really use it for that. But it does look like it's gonna be really pretty and soft on lips, so I would be interested in that and trying it out for that. Up next, it looks like Half Magic Beauty just dropped an electric collection. So this is a lengthening mascara and new eyeshadow singles that retail for $12, and they look pretty cool. I've tried a few things from Half Magic Beauty. The products are actually pretty nice. I do know that they were used on the set of Euphoria because the makeup artist of Euphoria is the one that created Half Magic Beauty. You guys can now find this inside Ulta. I am kind of intrigued by this. This is something I wouldn't wear every day, but something I am intrigued in like checking out because it does look really pretty. Up next, we do have a new palette from Cosmic Brushes. So they just released the Gothic palette. It does retail, it looks like for $22, and it's going to include 1 duochrome, 1 multi-chrome, 5 metallics, 7 mattes, and 1 matte with sparkle. I have never tried anything from this brand, but I do know that Angelica and Heather both put up videos on these products. I think they have really said they really liked it. So you guys do want to go check it out. Both do have codes for cosmic brushes. I've never tried the brand, but some of you guys told me that you guys really do enjoy it and that I should check it out. So I think at some point I definitely will. Last but not least, we do have a new collection from Nomad Cosmetics. So everything is going to be revealed as of today. We do have a looks like a spray, looks like an eyeshadow palette. I actually do have the full collection. You guys will see the video tomorrow here on my channel if you guys want to check it out. But they are dropping a new collection on October 17th, but they are doing a full reveal tomorrow on their Instagram stories if you guys want to check it out. My YouTube video will also be live, but there are several products in the new Nomad Air collection. So those are all the new makeup releases that came out this week. This video is definitely a lot shorter because for once I feel like makeup has kind of slowed down this week, which is very rare because if you guys have not seen the last couple weeks, I'm pretty sure you guys have. I've been very vocal about how overwhelmed I've been with all the new makeup releases. So many of you guys have been very overwhelmed by it. Like, I love Glamlite, but holy shit, are they coming on strong with all the new makeup releases right now? I'm kind of like, ooh, y'all are coming on strong. But then we have like ColourPop going, are you okay? Where are you? You guys okay? Should we be worried? Because ColourPop's barely launching anything, which is very unlike them. So I hope they're doing okay. But a lot of other brands are just pumping out makeup collections like crazy. But it's so nice to kind of have like a slower week where I'm not feeling like overwhelmed by the amount of launches. And I'm hoping you guys are feeling the exact same way. So those are all the new makeup releases this week. Let me know what you guys are most excited about. I'm most excited about the new Glamlite Friday the 13th collection because you guys know I love Halloween. I'm a big horror fan, so I'm really excited for that collection to come in. As soon as it does, I'll definitely get my video up for you guys. And like I said, if you guys do want to check it out, you guys can use my code. But I'm super excited for this collection, and stay tuned because they will be announcing the Nightmare on Elm Street collection next. And I think they're also doing a Michael Myers, but I think that might be coming out later on. But anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post almost every single day in the month of Vlogoween. And please don't forget to head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video.